Hi guys, so today we'll be talking about cluster keywords and page linking. So page linking is a very continuous process that we'll be discussing after cluster keyword. So cluster keyword, you can take an example of a spider web. So it's a formation, right? So similarly, I will be guiding you how to create content, regular content in a formation so that it can be easy to rank and to link pages. For that, this is a diagram of a solar system. So you can see planets, you can see sun, and so sun is in the center and every planet revolves around it. So similarly is the case with keyword, that is primary keyword. So consider a primary keyword. For example, you can take any of your content or any of your title that can be primary keyword, and other topic or another keyword is revolving around that. So now let's come on my whiteboard. So I'll be telling you by an example and I'll showcase you. So similarly from that photo, it's sun. Or if I talk about SEO or cluster keyword, it should be a primary keyword, that's PK, or it should be a cluster keyword, that is CK. So now we'll talk about topics or we'll talk about planets. So topic is nothing, it should be a first topic about this primary keyword. So let's suppose in our case, in Clickites case, let's suppose website development is our first keyword or primary keyword. So here it is. So it is a sun, right? Now we'll be writing first topic, we'll be writing second topic, we'll be writing third topic, right? So I'll be explaining about three topics. For example, website development is the case, or any example, maybe SEO is the case. So let's take an example of SEO so you guys can relate. So SEO, search engine optimization, is our primary keyword, that is sun. If we are writing our first topic, that can be what is SEO, right? So a question mark for this one. So we'll cover, we have created this. Whenever we'll be creating it, we'll be creating an orbit. Second thing, how many companies or which is the best company to do SEO can be our second topic. So that second topic is done. I'll be telling you about this thing after we'll be going through this cluster keyword. So connect with me. No. Third topic can be, I can write a blog, let's suppose if I talk about SEO only. So companies, or maybe 7 top softwares or 5 top softwares that can help me in keyword research, or maybe we can shorten up, or after doing keyword research for a long tail keyword, we can make it 7 top keyword research tools. Okay, so here it is, done. So first of all, I'll remove this question mark so that it can be more spacious. No, again, my fourth content, fifth content, sixth content, and that can be so long. So you can write endless content related to this SEO. Because I have taken this topic, SEO topic I have taken. So maybe fourth topic can be which is the best software that can be used for maybe on-page SEO, can be my fourth topic. Fifth topic can be related to video SEO also. Is video SEO important? So it can be my fifth topic. Best SEO companies in US can be my sixth topic. So depending upon the niches or whatever your targeted audience are, or whatever your company business or as in your business is, you can change these topics according to your keyword, according to the sun. These are the planets. Again, what would happen around this? For example, if I talk about US, we have talked about US in this this topic. We talked about best agency or best SEO agency in US, we talked about this. Now what I can do, I can write more content related to this. Let's suppose best agencies near me, best agencies in California can be my first topic. Best software tools to purchase offline from New Jersey can be my another topic. Maybe you can revolve around it also. So related to US or related to this topic, you can write many more content. Let's suppose third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. You write 8 content. So this should be interlinked. Now we'll talk about interlinking. Now keep in mind that whatever content you are writing in first one or whatever keyword you are taking in first topic should be there in second topic as well, so that these page can be linked. Another thing, third topic, second topic should be linked. This is what internal linking is. These all topics should be connected to each other. These and that. So all the topics should be related to each other, which should be directing each other's pages, and all these should be connected to your main keyword. So this is what I was telling you about page linking, that now all the links are being coming to this 6th topic, that was best agency in US. So this was the 6th topic. Now let's suppose now how you can arrange it. So it is a first arrangement. Now you can create it here. Many topics can be landing here. This is arrangement 2. This can be arrangement 3 and so on. Now what the thing would be, each arrangement should be interlinked and should be redirected to my primary keyword. So this is what internal linking looks like. All the keywords should be directed to its own group. Each group should be directed to the main cluster. So this was cluster 1. And let's suppose you have what this cluster is. Now cluster basically mean maybe your primary keyword, it can be your service keyword, it can be your niche keyword. So what I suppose by primary keyword, niche keyword, so a service keyword, it can be anything. For example, ClickHeights is providing services like SEO, website development, video editing and many other things. We are providing these services in-house, right? So these can be my cluster keyword. Now first service, second service, third service, fourth service are my cluster keyword. Now I can type topics here, here and here, here, here and here, again here, here and here. Similarly in this thing. Now mind this, there is many people make this mistake that this keyword should be only interlinked in this niche only, in this cluster only, cause it creates a chaos, and obviously crawler do not have this much mind, it just understand binary codes and everything. So it would be mismatching the whole concept. If this is related to this one, if this page is linked to this one, it will not understand that what service or what cluster keyword it, and it would be hard to rank. But if you are targeting this thing only, it can be easy. It can be easy to rank this keyword. So this was whole concept of page linking. If you have any questions, you can comment me on comment section. You can write anything. I would love to answer those questions. So this was all about keyword. So in simple words, if I tell you, each group have to be linked to a primary keyword or your cluster keyword. That's it. And whatever your cluster keywords are, that should be singly framed. Singly framed, I mean that should not be external link to another cluster. Single cluster should contain only that keyword rotating around a particular service cluster keyword or primary keyword. That was all for this video. Thank you.